is
Yeah,
crazy.
so that is also a
You
big,
had a
big
fifty
thing.
thousand
It's
dollar
that
account with them?
they
Wow.
claim once again that one big part of the issues is that, oh, we make money when you make money, but they have proof that the more people make money, that they are pissed at it. First of all, that they really want to make people fail,
Damn.
and that the more money you make, the more they will try to make you fail. So they talk about Traders Global uses software to stack the odds against customers. So they talk about the drawdown limit first, but then
Okay.
they also, this is page 15 and 16, section 4
My
and
boy, all in the
59,
paperwork.
which you are seeing on screen right now. Traders Global uses specialized software to automatically add delay or slippage to customer orders.
Damn.
Traders Global does this in order to reduce the likelihood or amount of a customer's profitable trading. So again, their main focus is you being the least amount of profitable possible. Delay is a configuration parameter in the software that Traders Global uses to create and administer the electronic trading
This is
environment.
crazy. This
So
is some
again,
breaking
you're
news for
trading a
real.
fake environment, and so they add the delay.
He said you're traded in a fake environment, so you add the delay, or so they add the delay.
And they say that they do this to prevent customers from taking advantage of arbitrage opportunities from pricing differences among related markets. And then they go into the slippage, and this is so crazy because again, a lot of people, the main complaint, and it's so funny that
What
I
was the
said
main
this in the
complaint?
interview, everyone in my forex funds complains about the slippage.
Yeah, they really
That
do.
is
I
the
heard a
biggest
lot of
thing that
people
we talked
complaining about
about
that.
in the interview that I made with him, in the reviews that I made, and so on. And I always said, like, my forex fund slippage is
That was
bad.
definitely something, yeah.
And they say slippage is another configuration parameter that Traders Global uses to cheat customers. And I think that
Damn, they
cheat
said they
is such a
dial up the
big word.
slippage.
Why? Because it's not that they think, oh, they're simulating the live market. No, the CFTC is going after them for cheating, because since it's something that they are trying to implement on traders without having actual live market conditions behind them,
Okay.
that's when they regard that as cheating. And
Okay.
cheating is much worse than, oh, they are just trying to simulate the live market.
I
So
understand.
that one,
Okay.
that one is a
That
big
makes a
one.
lot of sense. So they're not even tripping about the simulated shit. They're more so tripping about them basically manipulating the market in the sense of forcing people to lose money, or forcing them with, I guess, higher spreads, or shit like that.
And then by dialing the slippage up, Traders Global set the software to automatically execute a customer's market order at a worse price.
To ebb, your market, they said the entry was at the worst price you could possibly get. Like, nah, we not gonna give you the price right here. We gonna get that shit to you when they get all the way at the worst thing. So you already start off, basically, shit, as in the L.
Then the best bid or offer displayed at the time the customer entered the order. So then they explain slippage. And then if we think about the messages that were released, they have messages of, I don't know if it was the employee of
This
or
shit is
Murtuza,
crazy.
just saying slip them to hell. Like, they literally have a text that says
Slip
slip
them
them
to
to
hell?
hell. So they're using that a lot against.
What's up, Ty from Georgia? Hey, what's going on, Georgia? Houston, Texas in the place. Hey, shout out to Houston, Sacktown. Hey, let's get it, man. Sacramento, let's get it. But nah, yo, so check it, right? He said they got shut down. What? Yo, hold on. Now I gotta pull up the article. Y'all. Hold on. Hold up. Oh shit. Fraud. Why regulators shut it down? The future of prop wars. Nah. Cause y'all niggas see, hey, look, that's all I gotta say, bro. That's all I gotta say. See, that's why we don't follow the fucking YouTube influencer people, and we follow people who got time in this marketplace, because they're gonna take the check and promote. I remember I called yeah, that's all I gotta say. But yeah, let's pull it up. My Forex Funds, y'all. We're gonna react to it. We are going to react to it right now. This is crazy. Nah, this is crazy. This is different. Yo, so this is from the CFTC. This is the actual website. This is My Forex Funds, September 01. court issues restraining order, institute an asset freeze. Whoa, hold on. CFTC charges My Forex Funds with fraudulently taking over $300 million. Damn. Hey, look. Hey, they thought they was about to run off with 300 M's. 300 M's is crazy. So now, all right, hold on, let's see. Okay, his companies, Traders Global. Damn, this is crazy. Yeah, case background. How long had they been on it for? This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. This is crazy. CFTC fraud advisories. Nah, they got shut down. Nigga, this on the CFTC website. This is official. I mean, you got to think. After everybody stopped selling Forex courses, because remember, pandemic comes, right? So this is how it went. This is how it went. Pandemic comes. People stopped selling Forex courses. They start putting that course on for sale. I remember somebody had an $800 course and start selling it for $35. 35, bro. I would never. $35 is crazy. You get what I'm saying? Yo, that shit crazy. Nah, that's crazy. But people needed a brand new hustle, and I believe that it was easier to get the trading influencers to push this type of stuff. And companies even know, working with somebody like me, shit, hey, you got to have your shit together. And I've been saying that, I've been pushing it, so people wonder, Ty, what do you promote? What do you push? And as of right now, I do not promote or push anybody. You know what I mean? I've been looking at the trading industry like, well, my brand is extremely valuable. So if your business isn't right, then that looks bad on me. You get what I'm saying? Straight up. But nah, somebody said they had software. Hold on, Patrick is giving me more insight. They had software to manipulate orders on fake servers. Oh, so they was trading. So basically what you're telling me is people were trading on fake servers that look like live servers, and they were basically using it to do what? Get more customers, because that's why they were looking at it as a scheme or a scam or something like that. Yeah, here it is right here. The company compliant charges them with fraudulently soliciting customers to trade leverage, margin, or finance retail foreign exchange or retail forex and leverage retail commodity transactions. So there it is right there, inside of the CFTC website with this. Now, full investigation of this shit, like a whole investigation is crazy.
Absolute bunkers of a day. So I released the most recent video, and then I saw that there is also a full length document from the CFTC. And so as soon as I saw that, I was ready to I was in bed, and I received this whole document, and I was like, okay, I gotta do it. Like, hey, this is what I signed up for. So this is a 40-page document that I read through the whole thing, so you don't have to. But let's break down what has been going on and what is going on.
You feel me?
What I think is going to happen. Maybe by the end, I will tell you the result that I really think that this is going to get.
Hold on. So this is, damn. Yeah. Commodities Future Trading Commission, CFTC, Plaintiff, Traders Global, My Forex Funds, a Canadian business organization, and Martuza Kazami defendants. Sheesh. Damn. It's like 1, 2, 3. Damn, they got 3.
So going on to the contract, you see, we can just see the summary really, because one of the things that I want everyone to understand is that the fact that this was not an investigation that was done for a month. This was something that was done for a year. And it's really, really crazy the amount of evidence they have against My Forex Funds. They have texts, they probably have emails, they have everything regarding My Forex Funds. They don't have just one thing. This is one thing you have to understand. The CFTC doesn't come after someone with...
Yeah, so people asked if they were done. They said Traders Global is a fraud. In reality, they're not a third-party liquidity provider.
No evidence. They do their due diligence, and it's not looking good. So the summary for the people that also just want a summary, this is going to be a longer video. So if you guys want just a summary, so basically the main thing really is the fraud. They're constantly phrasing it as My Forex Funds was a fraud. big fraud. Kazmi Murtuza was fraud. Like everything that was done was fraud. This is what the CFTC is claiming. So we have large scale fraud scheme involving
Okay, so he said this is what the CFTC is claiming. So this is the indictment or the investigation that they're presented to the courts. So basically, okay, cool. Everything is frauded until litigation is settled. So my question to you is, do you believe that these funds will ever be released, or do you believe that what's actually being presented is a valid case? All right. He said, dude, owner of my forest funds was out there buying big time stuff, drunk with money. I bet he was. Shit. I got a whole lot of my funded challenges refunded by BOA when FT closed down. Sheesh. I'm mad about all my forest funds challenges with Cash App because otherwise I'd do the same. Sheesh. This is some crazy shit. I didn't even know this was going on, y'all.
leverage margin and finance retail foreign exchange. This provided to us traders. And so again, this is fraud. Because now, why is this fraud? Because it offers the retail opportunity to become professional traders using traders' global money to trade against the third-party liquidity providers.
So basically, okay, that's what's going on. Okay. So they're offering people, basically they're saying one thing and doing another. They're like, oh yeah, you could come trade with our money, and
trying to maintain
maybe the money doesn't exist. Let me listen to it.
in a certain minimum amount. And one of the big problems that they say and they're constantly referring to is that they are constantly
Oh, here it is at number 4. It said Traders Global's pay customers who trade successfully, but substantially all the payments come from fees paid by other customers in a similar manner to a Ponzi scheme and not from the proceeds of profitable traded against liquidity providers. So basically, they just raking in all this money, right? And the accounts don't exist. And when people do make money, then they just pay it out the bread to, well, the people who are doing what? Winning. Like, oh, okay, well, oh yeah, I won this amount. Oh, okay, you won 20 grand. Okay, well, I got 20 grand, nigga. Here you go. Yo, 20 grand, nigga. Get back in there. You feel me? Do what you be doing. So I feel like this is the situation of what's going on. I'm reading it from right here. I don't know it to be true. I'm just reading this right here for right now, as people's funds are locked into this thing. So I'm just as interested as you are, and here are documents.
saying that My Forex Funds was constantly saying that your success is our business. We only make money when you do. And this is just a flat out lie. And that's a huge part of the claim, is that traders global group, Mutuza, whoever, just lied through their teeth, like completely. And by the way, I was mentioned, like not me, but one of my videos was mentioned in this document. That was crazy. One of my videos was mentioned, and we'll talk about that.
Yeah.
Again, Traders Global Group is a fraud. This is literally what they say, and they'll dive deeper into it. In reality, Traders Global, not a third-party liquidity provider, is the counterparty to substantially all customer trades. So there was My Forex Funds. Traders Global Group was the broker that you were trading on, and that was the broker providing the liquidity, which in reality was just My Forex Funds, which basically just close the loop. And the fact that they make it seem as you're doing it with someone else, it's just, again, a flat out lie. Traders Global does not therefore make money when customers make money, loses money when customers lose money. So again, crazy times that we are living in. Traders Global pay customers who trade successfully.
Okay, look, so here's all the ways that they protect it. So damn, this is crazy. Yeah, this is very interesting. So okay. Yeah, let's just read it. I'm gonna let him read it. I'm not even gonna interrupt him. But basically, they have a way that they're protecting themselves against traders winning by implementing 1,001 rules. So it's almost like if you get through, it's like shit, they actually made it through, and then fuck, I gotta pay out. You know what I mean? But this is crazy.
But substantially all of the payments come from the fees paid by the customers. In a manner similar to a Ponzi scheme, This is huge, man. Ponzi scheme, just basically calling it very similar to a Ponzi scheme, and not from the proceeds of profitable trading against liquidity providers. In order for Traders Global Group to generate profit, Traders Global has to collect more in the fees to pay to its successful traders. In order to do this, traders have to use various devices to minimize the likelihood, and this is one of the things that they have some crazy evidence on, is those devices to minimize the likelihood of profitable trading,
They said
reduce
they
the
got
amount of profits
devices.
to pay to successful traders. And these devices include a drawdown limit, which is, again, as you know, drawdown limit from the challenge, misleading assessing traders global own commissions to reduce customer account equity. What they mean with this is that you had to pay a $3 commission per lot, but in reality, because you were trading on their liquidity provider, there wasn't really commission needed, so it was just a direct hit onto your account. And they saw that
Wait, what? So damn, they were taking money out of an account. He said since it was just a ghost, basically, they're just taking money. Boom. Okay, you activated trade. Bam, you had $3 in commission. Well, shit, they just made commission off of something that don't even exist. This is some crazy shit.
just from commissions made like 7 million, which is
There it
quite
goes.
crazy. Secretly using specialized software to stack the odds against the customers by delaying execution to custom orders, or executing orders at worse price than appeared to the customer at the time the order was sent. This is crazy because, again, we were told that slippage was just part of the game, but we also knew that it was artificial. But
So they were manipulating the charts. Damn.
now it just comes to show that it was kind of illegal. So, okay. Sending orders from an extremely small number of successful customers to an overseas counterparty that will then make the trading conditions worse and make people lose quicker. The defendant scheme is a profitable one. During the relevant period, Traders Global Group had a net income of approximately 172 million. Kazmi used the proceeds from the fraud to purchase luxury homes, automobiles, and make tens of millions of transfers to his personal account. He was also...
And then this is all the shit where they wrote him up on. Bro, this situation is crazy. Yeah, that whole situation is crazy, y'all.